In a world overflowing with digital noise, delivering the right message is crucial for success. One size definitely doesn't fit all when it comes to personalized marketing strategies. Captivating dynamic text and seamless translations can turn potential visitors into loyal customers effortlessly. A staggering 89% of leading businesses like Coca-Cola and Netflix embrace personalized content for better engagement. Conversely, campaigns lacking personalization can suffer drastic drops in response rates, averaging an 83% decrease. So, how can you effectively personalize your landing pages and enhance your marketing success? Let's explore how dynamic text can transform your landing pages based on user behaviors and preferences. Dynamically generated landing pages offer tailored experiences, ensuring every visitor feels understood and valued. With programmatic landing pages, customizing content for each unique visitor facade has never been easier. Easily convert your pages into different languages, expanding your reach to international audiences with one click.